basically we have come to confirm that the universities will be safe should the government decide to reopen the universities in the near future. There are certain things that are to be done, like increasing the water points, ensuring that social distancing, which is a very big problem, is maintained within the universities, especially in dining halls, classrooms, and sleeping areas. We have moved around, and the university has done reasonably well in that. In the classrooms, there are no issues. There are a few problems with the water points in the toilets, both in the adjacent to classrooms and in the hostels. They have also rearranged the situation in the hostels. The kitchen is reasonably well kept, it's clean, using stainless steel and aluminium, which can easily be sanitized. And so this particular institution is on its way to being ready. There are a few things to tweak here and there. They are good managers, and I'm proud to say that Professor Abubakar is a faculty from the University of Nairobi. So is Professor who? Gichani. But they are also assisted by a faculty from Maseno. So Maseno is also coming up kidogo. Otherwise, University of Nairobi, being the university, has produced good leaders, and you can see for yourself what she's doing. That is my conflict of interest. But otherwise, in terms of being definite, as you are aware, we should have opened the universities and colleges this month. But there are two reasons why we moved backwards. One was because the leadership in those institutions had not taken seriously what we wanted them to do. But the more important reason was that we were still spiking. As you are aware now, today is about the 4th or 5th day when the virus has been consistently below 5%. We need to watch it until the 14th day before we can say what can be done and what should not be done. So it's important to be fair to government